Hi, my name is Cyrus, founder and formulator of Pure Lab Vitamins. Today I'd like to talk a bit about magnesium and melatonin for sleep. Many of my customers use our regular magnesium glycinate for its relaxing and sleep improving properties. In fact, most of the feedback we are getting on this product is sleep and relaxation related. Magnesium suppresses stimulating neurotransmitters and is also involved in the conversion of the amino acid tryptophan into 5-HTP, which is the building block for the calming neurotransmitter serotonin and also the sleep-regulating hormone melatonin. L-glycine, which is the anion in glycinate, magnesium glycinate, also has calming properties itself. So magnesium works on a variety of mechanisms, helping us to relax and reach a deeper, better, more refreshing sleep. But there are people with more severe sleep issues that require further help. Those that experience severe difficulties falling asleep or staying asleep, or those experiencing frequent sleep interruptions, might want to consider the synergistic combination of magnesium glycinate with melatonin. Melatonin regulates our circadian rhythm. It practically tells every cell in our bodies it's nighttime now. And for many of us, diet and lifestyle suppress the release of melatonin and with that, confuse our inner clock. There are quite a few lifestyle measures we can and should implement to enhance the production and release of our own melatonin. And these measures should most certainly be reviewed. They can be looked up when searching for the term sleep hygiene. Using supplemental melatonin during the process of changing your habits can be of significant help. For example, if you have trouble falling asleep, so-called onset insomnia, you should use melatonin 30 to 60 minutes before lights out, so that your blood levels of melatonin are already present at the time you'd like to fall asleep. If you have problems staying asleep, so-called maintenance insomnia, you'd want to use melatonin as late as possible and maybe in slightly higher dose to maintain blood levels through the night. Finally, I'd like to point out that after dealing with insomnia for some time, some of you for months or even years, you cannot expect instant results from just a few doses of magnesium melatonin. You will have to work on the lifestyle measures step by step while using melatonin for probably a month or two consistently to retrain your inner clock into a better sleep cycle. Someone who previously only slept for a few hours a night with interruptions should aim for better, deeper sleep with less interruptions. We frequently host webinars, which you can find on our Facebook and Instagram. You can also sign up for our email newsletter on our website. In a webinar, we can go into much greater detail. The next one on better sleep, less stress, and more energy is scheduled for June 30th. I hope this was and will be of help to you. Sweet dreams. See you next time.